morning vlog. Good, good morning vlog. What you doing? Come say hi. Good morning. Good morning, people. Hey, did you sleep good? Did you sleep like a baby? Yes? Oh, whoa. Whoa. Good thing I zipped the sheets closed. If you guys haven't seen this, these are my new sheets and they zip closed. So then I can keep Pippa's little paws from getting in the bed. Oh, there we go. I can zoom out. Isn't that nice? Anyways, really nothing is cleaned up. Everything is just getting shoved into piles in the corner. And I'm currently out of food. Okay, let me show you how out of food I am. Literally, I have cheese, leftover corned beef hash from last night that I really didn't even want to eat, but that's all I had. That had protein in it, and lettuce, and then like sauces. That's it. That's all I'm working with. Obviously, in the pantry, I have like a couple things. Let's see what I've got up here. Oatmeal, a couple potatoes, an onion, and some tortilla chips. And I know I have rice somewhere. Oh, here. I have rice, but I have a very small amount. So it's time to go into town to go to the grocery store. And I need to clean today, so we're gonna go into town and we're gonna get a little caffeine. We're gonna hopefully get some groceries, even though this town grocery store is so expensive, but I have no choice because I don't really want to drive all the way to Rapid City right this second. I just like, in my soul, I don't feel it today. I'm only on like day, what, 4 of having been like out of the work camping situation that we were in, and like day 4 of being by myself on the road. And like having some time to like decompress. And as much as like the work camping thing was nice, and obviously I loved spending every single second with my boyfriend, I am an independent girly at heart, and it's just nice to be by yourself for a second. Not that we don't, you know, have our time together, but I do want to feel like I have like my brain reset, and that includes cleaning. So yesterday I didn't vlog because I literally sat at the dinette for 6 hours, almost like straight, catching up on every single editing thing I needed to get done, plugged in Starlink, got everything uploaded, scheduled, done. So it was like a work day, and that would have been so boring to watch. So that's also why nothing got done and everything is still sitting out. So yeah, so let's go to the store and go do that. I just walked in. I don't know. That was awkward. Sorry. Stay tuned. We're back. We just went to the grocery store. That's it, because I don't have the mental stability. It's a Sunday to be like walking around. There's like nobody really here, which means I'm guessing the tourist season is winding down, but it's also supposed to be warmer today than it has been. And then will be, like, I think this is the last like 2 warm days that's gonna be like in this area. I'm crooked. So I'm gonna do like my touristy like stuff once it cools down and people like really leave. So anyways, I got, oh, well, I also found a dumpster to put my big solar panel Bluetti boxes in. So now my car is cleaned out, which so happy about that. So hard to find freaking dumpsters on the road that can fit boxes like that. So anyways, found a dumpster. Oh, this is my jacket. Probably can't really see it, but it's kind of cute. I got it at Target. I think it was like $40. It's like one of those like shacket jackets. So I just have a tank top underneath it because it's like, it's not sweatshirt material, but it's also not like fleece. I don't know what to tell you. I don't have a winter jacket. So when I was in North Dakota, I bought this. And I think I'm going to end up using it here more than I did in North Dakota. It was actually warm most of the time we were there. Anyways, so grocery haul. The grocery haul is random because the store is small and they don't have like obviously everything. And like I said, I don't want to drive into town. So this is what we're working with to try to be like relatively healthy and balanced, but also like I'm not spending $7 on bell peppers. That's the vibe, you know? So I got a Monster. Of course, you guys know I love these. I have been on a coffee kick, but anytime I go out, I try to get Monsters. We were making our own. I don't know if I talked about that. I can show you guys my SodaStream stuff later. We were making our own, and so we got our own like Red Bull syrup, like, well, a dupe of Red Bull syrup. Obviously you can't just like buy Red Bull syrup. Sugar-free Red Bull syrup, but we used it for the harvest, so I'm out of even my like cheap version of energy drinks. So anyways, I only got 2 bags of stuff, and it was, well, actually I'll let you guess in the comments because we used to do this all the time, of how much things cost. So back in the day I used to get a whole week's worth of groceries almost for what I just paid. And I didn't buy budget items though, so I will say that's my own fault. But anyways, let's play the game. So because I'm boondocking, I got a roll of paper towels because I can do laundry here, but you know, when you're boondocking, the trash volume goes up because you have to use more one-use items. So I got some sunflower kernels. I guess I'm dumb, but I've like never seen them in my mind, like out of the shell. And I was like, oh, I could put these on salads and stuff. And I'm sure they've existed, but maybe it was the packaging, maybe it was something different about them, and I thought they looked good. Then I got pepperonis because I have cheese, so I can make like little fake pizzas. Even if I just do it on chips, I can make like pizza dip, basically. Again, we're going for snacks that are like a little bit higher in protein. So peanuts. So I've got my nuts figured out. And then I got this chicken. It's like pre-cooked barbecue chicken. It's gluten-free. It's just in like a little container. And if you guys don't know this about me, I don't ever cook chicken. I only buy pre-cooked chicken because I'm afraid of giving myself food poisoning, and at 32 years old I still have not figured out how to cook chicken properly, so I only buy it pre-cooked. Then I got a thing of instant mashed potatoes. If you're an OG like from when I first started posting, this was a staple in my diet when I lived in my car, and I figured that could go good with the chicken. Not that I make full meals or anything, but my mind still tends to work that way where I'm trying to think in meals. Then I got, these are my little treats. So I got a Rice Crisp or a marshmallow bar. But these are the best ones. If you find a place that has these, like this brand, I think these are the best Rice Krispies. Again, something random, but saw these chocolate stars. I don't know. It looked good as like a treat. Then, I'm not going to show that yet because actually I don't know if did I lose one? Oh no, I didn't. It's right here. Okay, so then I got paper plates, well, foam plates and foam bowls. Again, the boondocking struggle. I'm really trying to see, if I try my hardest, how long my water and like tanks can last. So we're doing the plate thing because I'm not very good at like conserving water when I'm washing dishes. So I know reusable stuff is the way to go, but I reused stuff all summer long when I was hooked up, and now it's time for me to have some disposable stuff. So then I got a can of refried beans because I already have cheese and I have chips. Again, easy snack slash meal. Then I got some more rice. This is always the rice I get. They had it there. So then, because rice is easy, I can do it with anything. And then I've never, this is sad, but I've never made Jell-O before. And this grocery store didn't have sugar-free Jell-O. And I figured I would make my own Jell-O. So I got lemon and lime to try. I don't know, maybe I'll put it in the vlog when I make Jell-O. Why not? It's Vlogmas, let's do new things. So then to go with that, I of course got Cool Whip, because who doesn't want Jell-O and Cool Whip? I don't know. Was that just my house growing up? We always did that. And then as for a today little treat, because I've never had this before and I wanted it so bad because I saw it, somebody else drinking it online, of course, because I'm easily influenced, is this Fairlife chocolate milk. It's lactose free, which I kind of go back and forth between dairy and not dairy, but why not? Chocolate milk. And that's it. So I'll give you like a half a millisecond before I show you how much everything costs. What do we think? What do we think? All right. So for all of that, it cost me $54.34. $54.34. If you guys go back on my channel and you watch my like living in my car like grocery hauls, my budget used to be $50 a week. A week. This is not a week's worth of food. This isn't even a complete meal. I did buy a lot of canned food back then and stuff though too, because I was living in my car, but still. Grocery prices are out of control. I know this is like the oldest story at this point, but like, damn, that's a lot going on. Anyways, there's the grocery haul. So I'm gonna put everything away. I'm about to go put my solar panels out because I need to charge the battery in here, and it's sunny and it's supposed to be partly cloudy for the rest of the week. So I'm trying to keep my big Blue Eddy charged. It's at 55%. Because I have been leaving my Starlink running, and I probably shouldn't now that I have everything uploaded that I need to upload. I should probably just turn it on and off, but Starlink was working great out here because there's obviously no trees or anything. So I was uploading YouTube videos in like 6 minutes. It was working so well yesterday. So Starlink for the win. But I'm going to charge everything because if you guys didn't see the actual Blue Eddy video, this Blue Eddy has a 30 amp plug. So I can literally plug the camper straight into it. And it is so freaking nice. So I can just charge the battery, and it like is connected to shore power. So like if I really wanted to run the microwave or do something else, I could. Not that I ever really do that, but it's just so nice to have that option. It's basically like I have a full generator basically at this point. So I'm gonna go set all of that up. So actually, because I'm like dressed and I don't look like a little forest hobbit, I will film me setting up all that stuff outside. And then, like I said, I gotta clean today. So that's what's happening. This is gonna be a cleaning vlog. You guys got a grocery haul out of me, and you're gonna get a cleaning vlog. And that's probably all that's happening today. And I'll probably watch a shitload of Survivor because I'm in too deep now. It's been going on for so long, but I'm in too deep with Survivor. So yeah, here we go.